Hello everybody, my name is Spencer, and I'm a Python programming noob, getting used to it and writing. And so, it's my opinion, and it's also just my experience, is that when you explain what you're doing to other people, it helps you retain the information that you've learned and what you've applied a lot better. So this is my Autoclicker, and I'm going to teach you the Ronald way of doing my Autoclicker testing. So, a huge thing about my Autoclicker is, despite me not going to, I'm not going to distribute this or anything, this is just for me. I wanted to have emphasis on what the keybinds to kill and then start the program were. So I was like, okay, well, obviously if you're using it in the video game, you don't want to have it as WASD, enter, T, R, M, tab. You don't want to have it as these really common keys because that might fuck with you in the game. And now I'm going to show you how I opted to test this. So this is rapid tables. This is probably everybody's first thing. Like, oh, I'm going to look up a click counter. All right, so let's hit F6. Look at that. Look how fast that's going. Okay, is it the fastest? No. It's not the fastest, alright? But really, what you're battling for, and I'm not on a Windows machine, but this is an Ubuntu install. What you're going to be dealing with on Windows is like, oh yeah, I'm already, like, so much of my CPU is already being used by my operating system. Ubuntu, you don't really have to deal with that, so you can get away with a little bit more. So I put it a little bit faster. I think anything over 0.0060 is just starting to become redundant. Made sure to have this time sleep here. Of course, because if you're not using it, your CPU usage is going to be fucking crazy. So then, here's the fun way. Here's the best way. You just go on Cookie Clicker. Let's buy a couple of grandmas. They're probably being sex trafficked. And now you're just clicking cookies. So, that's my way. If you want to read the documentation of this, I mean, it's just insane, schizophrenia. But that's how I do it. That's how everybody should do it. Is just have fun with it.